Today we're going to be harvesting some of our radishes. I won't do the entire bed because I've got other things in here, but we will be getting some of these radishes that we planted in here. And this was the gourmet blend of radish, so we'll be harvesting some of these. We had a pretty good rain here last night, so these have swollen up pretty good, as you can see. This is one of the white ones. I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the ground before they split and crack open. You usually get that when you get a good bit of watering or rain. So I'm just gonna pull some of these. I'll be eating some of these, and they're not too bad. Throw these in a salad. Could just slice these up and eat them as is, but these are, like I said, see there, you get that splitting right there when you get too much rain too fast or too much watering too fast. But for the most part, guys, these are pretty good. Look pretty good. So anyway, guys, I hope you like this little small harvest here, mini harvest. I've got lots more to go here in the garden. I won't pull them all today, but like I said, I've got other stuff out here, and so I just wanted you to see from about a month ago when I planted these, testing out this bed to see what amendments I would need to add. And it's apparent that I need to add more bone meal and probably another dose of nitrogen as well. But anyway, guys, from planting to harvest right now, I think this is okay. Like I said, I've got other stuff in this bed, mostly some volunteer stuff that I found as I was planting out in other areas. To store your radishes, trim the bottom tap root to 1/4 inch and the top radish to 1/4 inch. Make sure they're dry and store in a plastic bag for up to a week. part of the video, my favorite part. It's time to do a taste test. So come on in, I'll show you what I got. I cooked up my radish tops. I have some radishes here, and so as customary, first harvest of the year, I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys. So first of all, this is a white radish. I don't know, hadn't tried these before. Like I said in the previous video, I'm not a real big radish eater, so here we go. Initially, it's kind of an earthy taste. It's real moist, not at all crunchy and chewy, you know, hard texture like you would expect from a radish. I could probably do these pretty good. As you can see, I cooked up my radish tops. If you want the recipe for these, I'll put it in the description. But this taste test for me is special because it goes out to a good friend of mine over at OAG, Old Alabama Gardener. A lot of you may already know him, but this is for you, Mr. Charles. These are delicious. Guys, I'm going to do a close-up. One more taste. Especially for you, Mr. Charles. And as you would say, wish I could give you some, but you got to grow your own. So, until next time, guys, God bless.